Guys, I've got blue, how do you say it? Calypso. I thought you could only get these in corner shops, but we found it in B&M, so I'm gonna try it now. Ooh, I spilled it again. Of course I did. I've had this, obviously, like I used to live in London, so every corner shop would have Calypsos, but I haven't had it in a few years, so I don't really remember what it tastes like. Let's try it. Nah, I don't like that. It tastes watered down.
You have to shake it.
Oh, you sure?
Yeah.
Who said shake it?
The bottle.
It literally does not say, oh, shake well. It's been shook. Ew, there's random bits floating in it. Is that normal? Whatever. You guys see these bits? Like, I don't know what's going on. I don't know if that's normal. Is this normal? Someone let us know. That's better. It still kind of tastes watered down. It's nice. Prime's got way more flavour than this. I'm not even just saying that. There's a woman watching me.